diving service here. This is Dade. It is June 12th. It's Monday. I am at Julenter Creek Pier 3. This is slip W4. I have cleaned the starboard side of this vessel. I have not cleaned the port side. And the growth has been coming back so quickly that I'm going to actually use this as a test boat. I'm going to come back the next Monday and I'm going to look at this side of the boat and see how much has grown. Then I'm going to come back 2 Mondays from now and do the same. And I'm going to put it on my website as an example. We've been getting lots of calls for boats that we cleaned, 10 days ago, blah, blah, blah. Oh, the water line looks terrible. Well, that is what's going to happen this time of year. We can get them very clean, but it doesn't mean they're going to stay that way. So I'm going to use this boat as an example because it has great bottom paint. So let's look at the side that's cleaned first, and then we'll look at the side I haven't cleaned. So we're going to start on the starboard side. Let's take a look. Now let's take a look at the side that I haven't cleaned yet. Side cleaned up, but again, I'm going to be back next Monday to take a look at the whole boat and see how much has grown. Thank you to the diving service.